Client called for a pool school at the home they just bought. The water level was low in the pool. There was a mesh-style leaf cover on the pool, similar material to what we install on our AllSafe leaf nets. This is a perfect opportunity to teach the owner that they have to check the water level in the pool. These nets are semi-transparent. You can see the drains in the bottom of the pool, but you can't really see the actual water level. The pump running dry could easily damage the pump. We are just now getting into freezing weather. If the water was to stop circulating, and we get a hard freeze, it could easily cause catastrophic damage to the pool equipment.
Skimmer. See, this will cause the pump to run dry. I am not having water right now. I showed up to do a pool school. Client won't be moving in for a couple weeks. I'm glad we did the pool school today because he probably would end up burning up that pump.